Say hello to your new favorite chocolate brownies because they turn out decadent, fudgy, very rich because they have cocoa powder and delicious. I tried out making brownies several times and they don't turn out perfect. So with so many attempts, I've tweaked out the recipe and this is the perfect recipe for you because I absolutely love the outcome. I'm excited for this recipe because I'm a huge chocolate lover. So you'll start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to spray and line your baking tin with parchment paper ready for your batter. So I'm going to keep my tin aside. That is a 8x8 baking tin, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. So in a mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in a couple of ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box in the right quantity. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Sift the flour into my bowl. And then next, you're going to place a small pot over medium flame, medium low that is, and then you're going to be adding in your margarine. I'm going to also add in butter. Then I'm going to add in my semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then I'm going to stir in the butter together with the chocolate chips until fully melted. Once the chocolates are fully melted, I'm going to sift in some cocoa powder. While you're adding in your cocoa powder, put out the flames. Then you're going to stir in the cocoa powder until it's fully combined. When ready, you're going to add in your sugar to your pot. Add in my cooking oil. And then I'm going to stir in until the sugar is fully combined with the chocolate mixture. Once the sugar is fully combined into the chocolate mixture, you're going to be adding in your eggs and vanilla essence. So I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Remember, we put out the flames earlier on when the chocolate chips melted, so your mixture shouldn't be hot, it should be warm before cracking in your eggs. Cracking in eggs when the mixture is hot is going to cook the eggs and we don't want that. So using a spatula, you're going to stir in the mixture until fully combined, and then you're going to be transferring into your bowl with your dry ingredients. Using a spatula, you're going to stir in the wet ingredients until fully combined with the dry. And once everything is fully combined, you're going to add in a piece of chocolate that I've chopped up into pieces. Then you're going to fold into the batter using your spatula, transfer to your tin. And using a spatula, you're going to level up the batter into the tin. When the batter is leveled up, you're going to be baking your brownies at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Oh wow, my brownies are ready and they're looking so good. So I'm going to be cooling my brownies in the tin for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to transfer to my cooling rack so that the brownies can cool completely. I'm super excited for the chocolate brownies. After the brownies have completely cooled, you will notice a very crispy top. Yeah, that is what we're looking for in a brownie. So because they're completely cool, I'm going to be slicing my brownies into squares. So I'm going to lift up my brownie, and then using a sharp knife, I'm going to slice my I'm going to carefully lift up my brownies, and wow, totally worth trying. This is what I've been craving for, chocolate brownies, and they've turned out rich, fudgy, and looking very delicious. You can double up the amount of ingredients in the description box and make for your entire family, because yeah, I think this is going to be all mine. So hope you'll be trying out this recipe.